Good evening, everybody, and welcome to the video. This video, I'm gonna be sharing how I track my website. Essentially where the people are coming from on my website, how many total new users came to my website, and stuff like that. So let me share some amazing details here. So I essentially use Google Analytics and Hotjar for my website. So let me quickly go to my website, that is sawmillshot.herokuapp.com. It's a free one, right? I made so people can come here, read about me. They can of course they can come and go to the articles. Then they have, I'm also showing recommendation by people, right? So all of that. So I wanted to see like, hey, where the people are clicking. Are they clicking on the certificates? Then I have my blog here, and the click up basically the upcoming YouTube videos. So if I come here, as you can see, United States, 17 actions were done, right? So now what is this essentially? It shows me where the people are clicking and how they are behaving on the website. So for example, people from India, right? So when they came on my website, and I did some changes this morning. So I'm playing this, right? So the guy came here, as you can see, he was clicking here and there. Then he was slowly scrolling down, right? So he came here, then he's essentially scrolling down through this list of certificates, right? So he scrolled down pretty fast there. So as you can see, right, all the insights that I can get, right, by essentially all these stuff. So if I try to go back and I show you from here, so Hotjar essentially, I'm using a free version, right? So it allows me to basically see like where people are basically clicking on the website, which section they are clicking. So this guy, for example, he stayed on this page or this section for a while, as you can see, and then so he came here. Then now if you see, this guy was staying on certificates. He's actually reading the names of certificates. As you can see, right, I can essentially see a lot of details here. Another amazing stuff that I want to show you is the heat map. So I can actually get a heat map of my website. So I'll show you there in a second. This usually takes about a time. So let's do 30 days is fine. So as you can see, this shows the concentration where people are clicking. So it looks like people are clicking a lot on about and then certificates, right, from that. Now, if you observe, so if you observe that people are very much interested in the third link, for example, the Elasticsearch article that I wrote on my LinkedIn. So people are interested here. It looks like they're clicking there. Nobody clicked on certificate, so there is no heat map there. So you see amazing insights could be derived from that, right? Another stuff that I want to show you, I also have Google Analytics for my site. So which means it shows me, for example, how many active users are there right now, right, on my site. It also shows me direct organic search, so it shows me all that. Then it also shows me by country. From United States, 8 people viewed in the last 28 days. From India, 6 people are viewing your website. Gives me very, very nice insights, right? So I'm trying to learn more and more about all these tagging and tracking stuff, how we can track stuff. Then I'm also so I'm also essentially looking into now what you call that. You can also do real time, of course. So I'm also looking into Hotjar surveys, which means when people come to the website, I can ask for like feedbacks. Hey, what do you think about that? For example, I have a feedback which I'm essentially launching through Hotjar. So I created all these and I'm trying to learn things by myself. It's really, really fun, right? So I also have surveys, right? So as you can see, automatically it will insert surveys and feedback, right? So all that stuff you could do, right? So that's it for this video. So I just wanted to bring these things to your attention. These are free software. For example, Hotjar. I mean, there's a paid version too, but you can definitely leverage it for your if you just have a portfolio website. I think it's a perfect. Same goes with Google Analytics too, right? I'm exploring more on Tag Manager and how I can tag every certificate. For example, I want to see like which certificate people did click, right? So I want to essentially do all that insights, right? Oops, sorry for that. So all that stuff, if I can come here. So I'm essentially taking some nice course on LinkedIn Learning. As you can see, I found some nice course that I already started. It's like 2-3 hours courses. But once I learn, I promise, man, I'll teach you as well on my YouTube channel, right? It's all about learning, growing, and teaching one and all, right? So that's it for this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. Hope you guys have got some insight about Hotjar and Google Analytics, right? It's very easy. All it gives you a script tag. All you gotta do is put that on the website, and everything will be tracked. How many page views, clicks, all that stuff is tracked, right? So in the upcoming videos, once I finish the course, I'll teach you guys as well on how you can set up tag managers, Google Analytics, and other stuff, right? So keep smiling, keep learning, and expect some tutorials on Google Analytics, and then later on AppSync. So how we'll learn also how to bring Google Analytics data on AWS using AWS AppSync. Yeah, I guess AppSync or AppFlow. I have to double check, but all that is coming up down the pipeline. Okay. So keep smiling, keep learning, and stay tuned on my YouTube for more upcoming videos. I've also released a ClickUp on my website. So if you are curious, like what items are in my pipeline, you can come here and see. Oh, these videos are live. These are being worked on. So all that details you'll be finding that on my website. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the upcoming next video.